clean the throttle body, which is pretty straightforward. You got this bit, the intake hose thing, which is a plastic hose. Just gotta unscrew this bolt here and the one there with this wiring attached, and just pull it off that way. Just pull it that way and it will come off easily. So just try to clean it with the with a clean rag. So just on the butterfly valve, just got this much of carbon buildup, which is most likely the case for the rough idle. I'm just gonna clean it up and see afterwards. You could use a clean rag and some degreaser if you want. Yeah.